Question number 101. Dishonest misappropriation of property is an offence against movable property. Yes, dishonest appropriation of property is an offence against movable property. This is the correct answer. Question number 102. A obtained a sum of rupees 10,000 from B by putting B in fear of death. Which one of the following offences was committed by A? A has committed the offence of extortion under IPC. You have to match the offence with the sections of IPC. Criminal conspiracy is defined in section 120A of IPC, and attempt to murder is defined in section 307 of IPC. Culpable homicide is provided under section 299 of IPC, and extortion is given in section 383 of IPC. Therefore, the correct answer will be option A. Question number 104. Which one of the following section of IPC applies the maxim ignorance of law is no excuse? Correct answer is section 79. Section 79 of IPC talks about that ignorance of law is no excuse. Question number 105. Which section of the Police Act deals with the power of District Superintendent of Police to regulate the volume of music on the roads on the occasion of festivals? Options are section 15A clause 4, section 27 clause 2, section 30 clause 4, section 16 clause 3. Correct answer is section 13 clause 4. Question number 106. Which one of the following is not correctly matched as per the UP Police regulations? Option A, Armed Police Chapter 6, this is the correct match. Mounted Police Chapter 8, this is also the correct match. Village Police Chapter 9 is also the correct match, whereas investigation, that is here it is given Chapter 10, is not the correct match. Therefore, the D option is the correct answer. Question number 107. Which one of the following sections deals with the power of Special Police Officer under the Police Act 1861? Options are section 17, section 18, section 19, section 20. Here the correct answer is section 18. In section 18, the power of Special Police Officer is given in Police Act 1861. Question number 108. Which one of the following paras of police regulations provide that it is the personal duty of the police thana in charge not to keep a person of unsound mind in the same cell with other persons? Options are para 160, para 161, para 162, para 163. Here the correct answer is para 161. Question number 109. Police officer will take the unclaimed property, that is the property of which the owner is not known, into his possession but for its disposal whose orders are to be taken in consideration for the guidance. Correct answer is district magistrate. District magistrate guidance and consideration has to be taken while taking the proclamation of unclaimed property. Question number 110. Who among the following officers can order for the conduct of public gathering, public movement on a public road, lenses and roads? Correct answer is Superintendent of Police. Question number 111. Under section 15 clause 3 of Police Act dealing with disturbed or troubled areas, the cost of additional police force shall be borne by resident of the area. This question has been repeatedly asked, so you have to read this answer thoroughly. Question number 112. Who among the following will appoint head constable in armed police through the promotion from constables of the district police force? This question has also been asked, that is Superintendent of Police will be the correct answer. Question number 113. In which of the following paras of UP Police regulations it has been laid down that the constables of the civil police shall not be armed except on the special occasions? Options are para 58, para 59, para 61, para 63. Correct answer is para 61. Para 61 talks about that under UP Police regulations it has been laid down that constables of the civil police will not be armed, exception is special occasions. Question number 140. After examination of any injury or after death, the medical officer will prepare report in 2 copies, 3 copies, 4 copies, such number as demanded by relative of the victim. Correct answer is 3 copies. Question number 115. Who is the officer in charge of a police station thana among the following? Head constable is not the in charge. Assistant sub inspector of police is also not the in charge. Sub inspector of police is the in charge. Question number 116. Which one of the following is not included within the meaning of animal under Police Act? Dog, sheep, goat, all of the above. Dog is not included in the meaning of animal under the Police Act 1861, whereas sheep, goat, horses are included in the animal section in Police Act. Sentences which Chief Judicial Magistrate may pass. Options are sentence to death, sentence for life, imprisonment for a term exceeding 7 years, imprisonment for a term less than 7 years. Correct answer is option D, that is imprisonment for a term less than 7 years. This is the power given by CJM, that sentence he can pass the sentence of imprisonment for a term less than 7 years. Question number 118. Under the UP Police regulations, a village chowkidar is responsible to. Village chowkidar is responsible to district magistrate. This is the correct answer. This question has been repeatedly asked in the APU examination, and this is also a very important question. Question number 119. Section 7 of the Police Act 1861 is related to departmental action, judicial action, both A and B. None of the above. Section 7 of the UP Police Act is related to departmental action. Question number 120. Which one of the following section of UP Police Act 1861 provides that a police officer is always on duty and may be deployed in any part of the general police district? Options are Section 20, Section 21, Section 22, Section 23. Correct answer is Section 22. Section 22 suggests that the under Police Act 1861, police officer is always on duty and may be deployed in any part of the general police district. Question number 121. X having a sufficient food does not provide some food to a beggar who dies of hunger. X will be guilty of no offense. Question number 122. X on receiving grave and sudden provocation from Z intentionally causes the death of Y, who is the brother of Z. X has committed the offense of murder. Question number 123. R versus Diddley and Stephens is a case related with necessity. Yes, this is the correct. State versus KM Nanavati is a case related with murder on grave and sudden provocation. This was also correct. So in question number 123, correct option will be both 1 and 2 are true. Question number 124. R versus McNaughton is a case related with insanity as a defense. Yes, this is correct. And R versus Govinda is a case related with common intention. No, this is not the correct answer. So only here the option A is right answer, that is 1 is true and 2 is false. Question number 125. In which one of the following section of IPC kidnapping or maiming a minor for begging has been discussed? This section is section 363A. In this section of IPC, kidnapping or maiming of a minor for begging has been discussed.